of the Stony Creek branch of the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina layout in the 0-30. I was familiar with the area ever since I was a little kid. My mom and dad are from Northeast Tennessee, so I used to hear about this railroad a lot when I was a kid. We used to go to the area, Northeast Tennessee. I grew up in Florida. We would go visit every single year, usually in summer or around Christmas. And I knew about the railroad for a long time. Even as a kid, I could point out areas that former railroad actually ran. It got torn up in 1950. I'd always wanted to build this railroad, and when Bachman finally came out with the Baldwin 10-wheelers that they used in 0-30, I bought one with the intention of just putting it under glass.